This is an absolute beast to drive, but not a real monster. You've got the performance, however you've still got a great car to drive without it being a hot hatch as such, being thrown all over the place. The comfort, the performance is absolutely incredible. So I love these seats. Oh, I think they're absolutely wonderful. The attention to detail with the stitching is absolutely fabulous. So 30 miles an hour, 1300 revs, barely ticking over. From the outside, the SQ5 is a relatively large car, but when you're driving along, it generally doesn't feel a big car. So just because it's a family car does not mean you have got to compromise on the performance and the handling. With a 355 brake horsepower, this car really has got some performance, got some go in it. Of course, the Quattro four-wheel drive, you know you're going to be coming out to the side of the corner when you put it in some speed. And when you put your foot down, wow, oh wow, it just wants to go. This absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous Audi SQ5 Plus, facing this beautiful phantom black metallic. The car is absolutely stunning, just gleaming away. It has got £2,665 worth of factory fitted options, all blacked out. Nice bit of chrome from the bigger wheels, the side steps, and of course the badging on the side, the V6T. Nice bit of bling, just add a bit of chrome to it. The car is absolutely stunning all the way around. It really is beautiful, beautiful all the way around. Let's take you around and show you exactly what's what around this beautiful car. Great feature on it, electric tailgate. Great size boot on these. All nice and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seat, through load facility. Loading area nice and clean. The bodywork is absolutely beautiful all the way around. No major dents, scratches or scuffs on the car. Factory seats. Central armrest. Nice bit of storage on there, which can be cooled as well. Of course, automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, electric windows all the way around. The carbon inlay option really does set it off nice inside. Got DAB stereo, Audi multimedia, SD cards just into there, CD player, drive select. You can choose the type of drive you'd like, so comfort, auto, dynamic, individual, efficiency, comfort. That was an option on the vehicle. Parking aid front and rear. heated seats, dual zone climate control, auto hold facility, all the navigation Bluetooth all controlled very easily from the cockpit there. You can either put it in simply drive, let it do its own thing, or the manual option across there. You can change the gears up or down, and of course the Tiptronic paddle shift with this optional flat bottom sport steering wheel. Got the folding mirrors on this one as well. Also got the Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system. This was the last. Now it seems your time has passed. It's got the great electric tilt and slide sunroof. There's not just a panoramic roof, tilt and slide, very easy from the button there. You can just position it exactly where you want it. Just tilt it with a bit of fresh air or slide it all the way back. Great option on this vehicle, it really is. That makes it quite rare with that option. So smooth, nice fresh air coming in. And just to block the sunlight out, it's got the blind. One press and it just glides away. Of course, with the performance, you've also got fantastic miles per gallon. A truly all-rounder car for family, for performance, for handling, economy. You can't beat this car. I could drive this all day long. It's absolutely in love with it. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.